Thank you so much for telling me, beta. Thank you so much.
Ma'am, what are we doing right now? And sorry for being late.
Beta, we are doing this chapter 7. And in this chapter, what we are going to learn today is the aller verb. To learn this aller verb, I'm just going through revising these two verbs also. Because all these three verbs are irregular verbs. These three verbs come under irregular verbs. Okay? Why are they called irregular verbs? Because they have their own working. They do not work on any particular pattern. They have their independent individual working according to the subject pronouns. These are what? These are all subject pronouns. Like the sequence of subject pronouns cannot be changed.
Okay, ma'am.
Similarly, the working of these verbs will never change. Is that clear? Have you written it?
No, ma'am, please wait.
Yes, done. Okay, now starting with the eth verb, how does the conjugation go? If I want to say I am, what do I write for eth verb? With
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes.
I can't see your full board.
Beta full.
Ma'am, what is it in the third column?
aller. Aller to go.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Now you'll be able to see the full board. Everybody can see the full board now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. I'm writing
Now,
it.
if I want to say I am, I am. Eth means to be verb, which lets you make sentences like I am, you are, he is, she is, like that.
Ma'am, your camera is blurry.
But it's not blurred, actually, it's the light effect. Now see, now it's fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Give me a minute, I'll just
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
make the light on fine. Now is it fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Now there is no reflection of light. Okay. Now see, what I say, if I want to say I am, I say je suis. S-U-I-S. I am. If I want to say I have, what do I say? I say j'ai, which means I have. Letter J apostrophe A-I, which means I have. Now, if I want to say I go, what does aller become? It becomes vais. What does it become? Je vais, which means I go.
Ma'am, veje.
Je vais. Je, this is what?
Je vais.
Je and vais.
Way.
Okay, ma'am, je vais.
Now, tu, you're also going, beta?
Ma'am, can you show me the third word what was written?
Je vais. Then, Next, if I want to say you are, what will it be? Tu a. Tu a, you are. Then you have. Tu are. Tu are. Then if I want to say you go, what it becomes? Tu va, V-A-S. Here it is E-S, here it is A-S. Now here it comes V-A-S, tu va. Then look at the next one. He or she is, it becomes il-L-A. He or she has il-L-A. And go becomes va. He or she goes.
Ma'am, what is the pronunciation of VA? Ma'am, the ninth one.
Which is the ninth one, beta?
Ma'am, VA.
VA. It's just VA. If I want to say he goes or she goes, I will say il va or el va.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, the pronunciation
Yes,
of
ma'am.
male and female is ma'am different or same?
No, it is il. Masculine is il and feminine is el. Il va, el
Ma'am, I was
va.
asking for the va.
Yes, va. Now see, here also it is va. Here also it is va. How will we come to know? If I'm speaking in my sentence il va, then I know that this va comes with il. I will not write VAS. And if I'm speaking tu va, then I will not write this va. I will write va with S. Tu va. Because if I write tu and va, it becomes wrong. If I write VAS and ILL, it becomes wrong. These are what? These are grammatical rules. These are the rules of grammar that is followed in every language we learn. Then I want to say we are. What will I write? I will write nous sommes. We are. If I want to say we have, what will I write? Nous avons. And we go. I will write nous allons. Correct? Then next comes vous. Now what is vous? Vous is you all. If I want to say you are, so I'll say vous êtes, E-T-E-S. If I want to say you have, I will say vous avez. Vous avez. And you all go. Then vous allez. Vous allez. Then the last one, they. Now they are, what it becomes? It becomes S-O-N-T. They are. For they have, I remove S and put O-N-T. This S is removed. Ils ont, elles on means they have. And the last one, if I want to say they go, I will write V-O-N-T. Vont. Ils vont, elles vont. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So how does the conjugation of aller work become? It becomes, now only we are focusing on the aller verb. What is the conjugation? The conjugation was je vais, tu vas, il va, elle va, nous allons, vous allez, and ils vont, elles vont. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Tu vas, il va, elle va, nous allons, vous allez, ils vont, elles vont. Ils vont, elles vont, sorry. Now we have learned, we have come across three things in this chapter. What are those three things? The days of the week. The days of the week. Then second thing was different subjects. Maths, English, French. What are they called in French language? Then the last thing, the third thing was aller verb. Okay, now everybody open your book to page number 73. We are going to read this chapter.
Ma'am, can anyone send the PDF? I don't have book.
Okay, I'll send.
Ma'am, can I send?
Yes, beta, you send.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes. Sent. Sushant, beta, how much time do you need? Okay, beta, right now I'm just
Ma'am,
sending.
send.
Sent?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right. Now everybody open. Those who don't have the book, open this PDF and let's read it out. Now, what is the name of the chapter? I told you the name of the chapter is Quel jour sommes-nous? What does it mean? Quel jour sommes-nous? What does it mean? Quel jour sommes-nous? I told you.
Ma'am, weeks of the day.
No,
Ma'am, weeks of the day.
बेटा weeks of the day नहीं होता, days of the week होता है. But what is it? It is what day it is. If I have to ask it in French what day it is, I will ask quel jour sommes-nous? Everybody write it. Looks like you have not written it last week also. Quel jour sommes-nous means what day it is. And beta, please open your cameras. Jasmine, Ayush, Kai and Utkarsh. Then, okay, let me read the chapter. Aujourd'hui, nous sommes quel jour? Manuel says, aujourd'hui, nous sommes quel jour? What does he mean when he says this? What does he mean? Aujourd'hui. I told you what aujourd'hui is. Did I tell you? Yes? What is aujourd'hui? Okay, look up here. Nobody remembers. Write it in your copies. Children, take out your copies and do everything I do on the board. Write down everything in your copy. Aujourd'hui. Aujourd'hui means today. What does it mean? It means today. Hier. Hier means yesterday. What does hier mean? Yesterday. And the third one is dama. Dama means tomorrow. You should know all three of it. Aujourd'hui, hier, demain. Demain, hier, aujourd'hui. So Manuel says, aujourd'hui, nous sommes quel jour? What is the date today? Write down in the book, or if you don't have the book, just write down the translation of each and every sentence in the copy. Written?
Ma'am.
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Peter.
Ma'am, I am having the book, but I have written them in the copies.
Yes, good. Very nice. You must write it. All of you must write it to remember it, to retain it in your memories. Then Caroline says, now what does Caroline reply on Manuel's question? Caroline says, nous sommes jeudi aujourd'hui. Nous sommes jeudi means it is Thursday today. What day is jeudi? Jeudi is Thursday. It is Thursday today. Okay? It is Thursday today. Then Manuel says, ah, demain, nous avons un cours d'anglais. That means, oh, tomorrow. Now, when Caroline says it is Thursday today, then Manuel suddenly remembers that, oh, tomorrow we have a class of English. We have a class of English. Un cours d'anglais means a class of English. Cours means class. Written? Write down the translation. I'll wait, beta. I'm not in a hurry. But you should write the translation of each and every word. What you have to do? You have to write the translation of each and every word that I'm reading. Do you have the PDF, Ayushi?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Beta, open the PDF. You know where I'm reading?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Have you written these 3 dialogues?
Ma'am,
I'm writing.
Then coming on to the 4th dialogue, Anish says, "ए आपरे दमा से लवी कौन?" Anish then says, "and apre dama is," now see, look here. Dama is tomorrow. What is apre dama? Day after tomorrow. Write down. Apre, if we add apre to it, apre dama, it becomes day after tomorrow. A apre dama se lavi kon. Se lavi kon means sailor. Sailor means it is the. It is the, what is it? Weekend. Now, weekon, in French, we call it weekon. In English, it is weekend. Yes? Jasmine, beta, I can't hear you. Your voice is cracking.
ma'am, I'm saying I
I still can't understand.
excuse me,
Right.
ma'am.
Type it in the chat box, beta.
Excuse me,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes, Sushant.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
beta.
please tell the last statement pronunciation.
It
Ma'am,
is
say ma'am
le
the weekend
weekon.
one.
Say le weekon. Say le weekon.
Ma'am, please tell the pronunciation.
Pronunciation is say le weekon. You know, you want to know the translation?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Translation is it is the weekend.
Okay, ma'am.
It is
Thank
the weekend. Now, they have spoken of, see, today is Thursday. Tomorrow they have a class of English. And then day after tomorrow, when it is going to be a Saturday, then it is going to be a weekend. A weekend is what? Saturday and Sunday. So now they have talked of all the days right after Saturday. Then we have alors. Caroline says, alors, tu vas où le samedi? Now see, a long sentence, it's a long sentence. See, what did we learn? We learned tu vas. Tu vas means you go, right? Now in this sentence, what is it? Alors. Alors means so or then. Like in English also we say, so what are you doing tonight? Then what are you doing tonight? Like that. So alors also means so or then. Alors, tu vas où. Now où stands for where. Where do you go? Tu vas où le samedi. Le samedi means on Saturday. Where do you go on Saturdays? What is the day samedi? Samedi is Saturday. According to French language, samedi is Saturday. So Caroline asks, so where do you go on Saturdays? And there's a question mark. Where do you go on Saturdays? Okay. Then the last line, what she says is, Caroline says, Isabel A. Manuel. Now Caroline is talking about two people, Isabel and Manuel, a girl and a boy. Manuel is a boy, Isabel is a girl. Isabel and Manuel won. Now which form of aller verb has come? This one, the last one. The last that comes with ILS and ELLES. Why? Because she is talking about two people. Isabel and Manuel won à la piscine. À la piscine. Now what is piscine? Piscine is a swimming pool. It's swimming pool. And when she says they are going to the swimming pool, à la means to the. What does it mean? To the. Isabel Emmanuel won à la piscine. Is it clear till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Written each and every word?
Yes, ma'am. Written.
Written. Very good. Understood also why we have used won with Isabel and Manuel? Why have we used won, the verb V-O-N-T? Because we are talking about two people here, Isabel and Manuel. If we are going to replace Isabel and Manuel with a subject pronoun, it will be replaced by ILS. Because we are talking about a masculine boy and a feminine person, a masculine person and a feminine person. So that is why we have, when we are talking about both, we replace it by ILS. And ILS takes what? ILS takes the VONT form with it. VONT. So it is they go to. Now where do they go to?
Swimming pool.
Swimming pool. Then Anish says, look at the next dialogue. What does Anish say? Anish says, Je vais au club. Now what is je vais? Je vais. What does je vais mean? Je vais we have done here also. Right? Je vais. What does je vais means? I go. Now Anish says,
Go.
Je vais au club the sport. Je vais au club de sport. I go to the club, or I go to the sports club. Club of sports.
I got to
Now, AU club. I go to the club. Now, what does AU and club mean? It means to the club. To the club. And à la piscine. À la piscine, what did it mean? It also meant to the swimming pool. To the swimming pool. Okay, now children, you must be wondering that why at one place we are using O and the other place we are using ala, and both the words mean to the and to the. Isn't it? AU also means to the and ala also means to the. What is the reason? Can anybody tell me? Are you understanding my question? What I'm trying to ask you? Yes, Sushant?
Ma'am, we are using these both the words and both another sentences with the same meaning, because in the second sentence, ala is for the two people which are going together to the swimming pool. And ma'am, what is the second word? Ma'am,
Club.
before club,
AU. AU.
AU is used for a single person who is going to the club.
Okay, Sushant beta, good try, but it is the wrong answer. Now in the next, no problem. Good, at least you tried beta. You had some reason to give, but in